Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and enjoying your time. Welcome back to my channel Wonder Cookroom. In today's video, we are going to make instant butter chicken. So watch the full video, give it a big thumbs up, comment what you think down below and share the recipe with your friends and family. Let's start our video. First of all, we would have a look at all the ingredients we need for this recipe. So here firstly we would be taking one chicken breast and make it in cubes, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 to 2 teaspoon chili powder and salt to taste. Then we would need 1 teaspoon garam masala or all mixed spices, half teaspoon turmeric and 2 to 3 green chilies roughly chopped. And also 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream, this is fresh cream, 3 to 4 medium tomatoes. Now let's start making our butter chicken. Firstly, we would take a pan and put it on high flame. Then we would be adding a tablespoon of oil and we would let it warm a bit. When the oil is warmed nicely, we would add cumin seeds to it and fry these for 30 seconds, and then we would add ginger garlic paste and let it get golden brown. Once our ginger garlic paste has turned brown, we would add chili powder and turmeric to this and cook for a bit. You can add a teaspoon of water, and then we would be adding finely chopped tomatoes and we would allow them to soften. Once our tomatoes are softened and they form a paste, we would add our boneless chicken. Remember, this is just a single breast cut into cubes. We would cook it on high flame. We would keep on cooking the chicken on high flame for about 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes are passed, we would reduce the flame to medium and then we would add cream to this. Now you can check if the chicken is fully cooked. We would add the garam masala to it and half of the chopped green chilies, and we would cook this for 5 minutes more, and your butter chicken is ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment what you think down below and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thank you. See you all next time.